We can group a series of buttons together using button groups. In this example, we've grouped 3 buttons together: Home, Company, and Contact. In order to create a button group, we need to create a div element and give it a button group class. Inside our container, we can see here that we have a div element with 2 classes, button group and button group large. The button group large specifies the size of the button. The individual button elements are then nested into the div. We can see that this group has 3 buttons, each with the button and button primary classes defined. We can size the button group by adding a button group large or button group extra small class to the div. This particular group has the button group large class. This group over here is identical except that it has the button group extra small class. So you can see that the first group, the button style is larger, and in the second it's smaller. Button groups can be laid out horizontally or vertically. In this example, we currently have them horizontally. We can change from horizontal to vertical by adding the word vertical to our button group class. And after saving and refreshing the page, we can see that the button group is now vertically styled.